and welcome to my new show. Now that you are hopefully finished with your jazzercise classes and your book group study, I welcome you to What's in My Fridge. Let's find out. It's gonna be fun. All right. It's a little dark in here. Turn the light on, that's better. Prettiers, we have a Brita water filter. Look, it's my favorite ashtray from Puerto Rico. It's a banana. Oh, how funny. Quail eggs. Yogurt. Cottage cheese. A cactus. 24 karat egg dye. More cottage cheese. Ribs from September. Shel Silverstein. This is a really good book, The Giving Tree. You could read this with your book club. This is my favorite Perrier. It's only available at Safeway, my favorite grocery store. Cucumber. Cage-free eggs. I love half and half. Love it. Chia seeds. Granola. Milk. Let's find out what's in this drawer. Floss. Perrier. There's a Gatorade. It's a bow tie. It's Hoot. Jill gave this to me. Hamilton! He's chilly. We'll put him back. We have condiments and jams and cheese and butter, regular butter. Whipped butter is my favorite. And here we have flexible fabric Band-Aids, banana, a beautiful brooch, 2 other Perriers. It's Officer Camel Toes citation book. Hummus. Barbecue sauce. What are you most excited about? I'm most excited about... I don't know, there's so much to choose from. Probably the quail eggs. Thanks for joining me on What's in My Fridge. I really look forward to hearing from you and what's in your fridge.